today I've got a lobster. So I went up to Sea and got this from one of the fishermen, and I'm going to show you how to cook this lobster, and it's going to be a butter and coriander sauce. The best way to kill this straight away, this is the best way, and just kill them straight away. You want to get a super sharp knife. If you come here, you can see there's a line here, and there's a line going across. You want to go in straight through, and then they die straight away. Now instead, it should come with these bands on. You want to get these off, and then these antennas. Now this is going to go into the boiling water. Oh, it's dripping. And once you've got your boiling water, you want to grab your lobster like this and drop into the boiling water. This will go into the boiling water for 7 minutes. Once your lobster's gone like a rosy gold, for 7 minutes I cooked this for from boiling water, and then you want to lift this up, and I used the bucket that it came in and put it in ice, in an ice bath. This is to stop the cooking straight away, because you don't want to overcook the lobster, and to cool it down for when you cut it. To make the sauce, you want to cut your lemon in half and juice. Low heat until it's nice. Okay, now I've got my cubed butter. You want to add bits of butter at a time to the warmed lemon. Okay, so now I've got an avocado. I de-seeded it and then cut it into quarters. And once it's cut into quarters, you should be able to just peel the skin straight off. I've got butter fingers. I'm going to slice your avocado up. So now to get the claws off, you just want to grab it by the arm and just pop it off. Then with the legs, just twist. Oh. Twist off. Twist off. So now the hole that you killed it with, here, you then want to push. This is the hardest part, because its shell is. Oh, you can see all its organs. Now please don't do any hate comments about this lobster. I've done the quickest way to kill it. So disgusting.
Gross, what is that?
That's all its organs. Mm. That is the meat you're looking at.
Oh.
At the plate, you don't really use the head. Now, I know this ain't the cleanest of jobs. Now, you want to run this under the sink to get all its organs will be like green, but that meat there.
Oh.
And then we've got these huge claws. 2 big claws. Okay. Get rid of this vein bit round here. You want to get your finger and go through. And then you want powerful. And just push it all out. Was like, we weren't hacking away at it, but it's hard. You've got to proper use a knife, and we pulled, and then you pull the shell out, just wiggle. Okay, this might need another bit of a hit, like here. Remember, you have to stop. Okay, so I just found out this bit. You've got to push it off with your thumb, and then it will just come out. That looks so good. And then put that down. Okay, so I've just diced up all the spare bits, and I'm going to show you how to do the tail. So you should have cut it in half. Then I showed you how to scrape all the organs out and all the green stuff. You want to get your thumb and scrape under the meat, and it should pull off easily. And then present lovely. And then with this spare diced meat, if you come over here, you want to add this into your sauce. That's it. And wash your hands because you don't want blood all over your hands. Just mix this in. This has been simmering for nearly like an hour on just a really low heat. I'm going to turn it up now so the lobster can cook in fully. Okay, and now you want to get your sauce, go round, present it beautifully. Because remember, you eat with your eyes. Okay, let's dig into this wonderful creation. Bit of lobster, bit of salad. Oh god, that dressing on top of the lobster, oh god, it just